Hey guys, it's Danny. Welcome back to Creepy Crafty Days, where I am sharing a video every single day in the month of October. Today I have a collective Dollar Tree haul for you. So these are things that I picked up from multiple trips to Dollar Tree. So if it seems like a lot, which it is, that is why. So to get started, I bought a bunch of crinklies. So I have these really pretty iridescent ones, and I got one on one trip and one on another because I totally spaced. Forgot I'd already bought some, but that's okay because I will definitely use these year round. Same kind of deal with these purple shreddies. I forgot that I had already purchased some, but again, it's not a big deal. I do send a lot of happy mail in October, both to my pen pals and also Crafty Club members that get the happy mail option. So I will go through some of this, so I'm not super worried. Plus purple I can use all year round, so it's fine. And then I picked up one bag of the white. They did not have the black yet, which was kind of disappointing, so I'm hoping that they get some black in because I think I'm running low on my black. So if I could get like a bag of black crinklies, then I would be super duper set. Next, I picked up some of these packs of glitter. I thought these would be really fun to pop into some happy mail. So there's like a white, clear, like an iridescent one, kind of a chunkier gray, like a finer gray, and then two black. So I think these are pretty, and I think they will go perfectly with all the October craftiness. You guys might remember last year I loved these black glitter foam spiders, so I picked up two. So these will be fun to include in happy mail, and I picked up two, that way I wouldn't have to worry about like running out or anything because they are my favorite, so I don't mind having them in my stash. I also picked up one pack of these orange glitter foam pumpkins and then two of the bats because again, I thought these were super duper cute and I could use them for different kinds of projects. I also picked up a set of black, I guess, gift bags. So there's two in a pack, so that's a pretty good deal. And then I don't have to worry about making my own giant bags. I already have some here. Dollar Tree also had some of these like glittery pumpkin decors. So this was in the fall section, and they're just plain orange like glitter pumpkin picks. I have gone back and they had like some jack-o'-lantern ones, but I didn't get them because I already had these. And then they had like these purple and gold ones, which I thought were super fun and would be just like kind of a fun accent to throw in some happy mail or put on some kind of project or something. So I got one of each of these. I also grabbed a pack of this dark purple crepe paper, like rolls thing. I couldn't remember if I still had purple from last year or if I've ever had purple. So I just grabbed them just in case, because you guys know I like to use crepe paper sometimes and I wanted the option, and they actually had purple. So I think I still have some black from last year, so I didn't get any black, I just got the purple. And then I went a bit crazy cray with the stickers because I think they had just put them out, so they were all there. So I wanted to make sure that I got some for me and some for happy mail. So I got two of the orange glittery stickers, two of the ghosties with the skulls and the boos. These are so pretty. The purple has like a hollow kind of iridescentness to it, which I freaking love. Also picked up two of the witches hats. Again, these would be really fun to cut apart and share. And then I picked up four of these bats, you guys, because they are so super pretty and I feel like I could use them on everything. And I really didn't want to run out, plus like, you know, extras to share with friends and happy mail people. So I think these are so beautiful. I love the shade of purple. It's not like super dark, but it's also not like super light. It's got that glitteriness to it. These silver ones are freaking gorgeous. So got four of those. So I think these ones are my favorite out of all of them. So I'm glad I picked up extra. So that is it for kind of the crafty stuff. But I also did pick up some of the home decor. So that is it for the crafty stuff. I also did pick up some Halloween decor. So they had these little LED light strings. So I got the purple bats, the white skulls, and little orange pumpkins, and I thought these would be really fun to either hang up in my son's room or around the house or on my mantle or something. So I think these are really fun. I also got this like plastic like bat guy, and I don't really like the color, so I might spray paint him, but he has like little hooked on feet, which I thought would be fun, and I think he would look kind of cute actually like on my mantle. So I'm excited to transform him somehow. I also picked up an extra thing of creepy cloth. I already have one of these from last year, but I wanted an extra one to make other things look creepy. And they also had like these wall mural decorations. They're plastic and not the best quality, but I thought that they would be super fun to put as like a background for face-to-face videos that I might do. So if you guys are interested in more face-to-face videos during this creepy crafty days, just let me know down below in the comments what kind of videos you would like those to be. I think these are really fun. I've already tested this one out. It's kind of cheesy, but it's like super funny too. So I'm excited to give these a go. And again, they're only $1, and for a backdrop, that's not bad. Dollar Tree also had like these big kind of like, I don't know, chipboard sign things. So I got this little ghosty guy. He is so stinking cute, and I thought I could hang him up somewhere in my house. And then I got this little pumpkin guy, and I am so lame. I didn't even realize this little eye was like super droopy, but it is what it is. It's fine. I don't know, I could always like glitter over this whole thing, right? I could do that and do it over again if I really wanted to, but I think he's fine. He's quirky. He's special. Dollar Tree also had these like salad tongs. I think they have these every year, and I've never gotten them before, but I thought they would be fun as like a little decorative accent on my mantle or somewhere else in my house. So I might spray paint them so that they're not so shiny. But yeah, I mean, they're actually like not bad quality, and they look somewhat like legit. They don't look like terribly awfully fake, you know? So I got a couple of these because I think they're really fun. Plus I can like poke my son with them and go poke when he's being annoying. Dollar Tree also had a bunch of little pumpkins, so I got several because I don't have very much Halloween home decor, so I thought I could use these again for decorating. So these two already come pre-decorated, so I love the black and white stripe. I think that's so cute. And then this one has black glitter polka dots on it, which again I love. These cream colored ones are really pretty as is. I don't know if I'll alter these or not. Same with this orange one, I kind of like it as is. But these green ones, I'm not feeling this color, so I was thinking of maybe painting them purple or something. I don't know, we shall see what happens with these guys, but I think they're all super cute. So that is it for my haul today. I hope that you guys enjoyed it. Let me know down below in the comments what you have picked up from Dollar Tree recently that you're just kind of obsessed with. For me, it's this black and white pumpkin. But that is it for today. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you're not subscribed yet to my channel, please go ahead and do so down below. I am doing a video every single day this month of October, so I know you don't want to miss that. But I will see you guys in my next video. Bye! Thank you so much for watching today's video. I hope that you loved it. If you missed yesterday's, you can click up here. If you want to join in all the fun crafty shenanigans happening over in the Crafty Club this month, you can click right here. And if you want to subscribe, which I really hope you do, thank you so much in advance, you can click right here, and I will see you guys in tomorrow's video. Bye!